Thank you, Rahim. So do we have time for one more question? So another question is, can you please show one example of mid and right?
So here, if I want to know the overall, so let me delete that part. So for example, I want to split the second information from the description, which is the date of birth. So how would I be able to split it? That as you could notice that before and after the date of birth, there is the common separator which is coming in, which is the slash. So if I say that between those slash, there is information of date of birth coming in. So with the help of function, because mid functions allows you to split the values which are coming in between that description, right? So if I have to split the overall date part, so for example, so mid functions basically ask me that what is your text. So what I'm doing is, firstly I'm allowing you or defining the overall requirement which basically mid functions ask you. So what is your text where you want to start splitting from, and how many characters to split. These are three main requirements which mid functions basically ask you. So how many characters to split. So it is basically the first part. So if I say that where you want to start splitting from, so it is basically the first starting position. So where I want to start splitting from, right? So it is my start position. And how many characters to split? So if I define equation here that from the last character, so from these, if I say like that last character minus the last position, if I define it here, last position minus first position. So if I say that from, so between value gonna be the date of birth. So I have to define an equation here that what is the last position and what is the first position, because in between there is a information of date of birth coming in, right? So what I would be doing is that I would be doing like using search function as in basis to know the position of the first and the second character, which in my case is the slash sign, right? So what I would be doing is I would be using mid function, defining here the overall text, and as my starting position where I want to start splitting is the first slash position. So with the help of search function, I give instruction to the Excel that I want to find or search the slash position of the slash position, first slash position from that description, and how many characters to split. So there is an equation which I have already defined that from the last position to the first position there is in between value which is coming in, which in my case is the overall date of birth, right? So what I do is, with the help of search function, I first allows Excel to know the second slash position, because from second slash position to first slash position, there is in between value which is date of birth coming in. So here you can see as that if I select that area, press F9, you will be able to see that 25 is the character of the second space or second slash position which is coming in, and I want to minus that because I want to extract or split this mid position or mid value. So I want to define here the first slash which is coming in, because in between value is the date of birth. So as you can see here that I would be able to know the overall date of birth which is coming in that part, Yes.